Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic blockchain introduction. Definition of blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that enables secure, transparent and tamper-resistant record keeping of transactions across a network of computers. It is a chain of blocks where each block contains a list of transactions, a timestamp, and a reference to the previous block. The decentralized nature of blockchain means there is no central authority and data is stored on a network of nodes. Explanations of the concept of blocks and chains. Blocks. These are containers for data transactions. Each block has a unique identifier called a hash and a reference to the previous block's hash. Chains. Blocks are linked together in chronological order, forming a chain. This chain structure ensures the integrity of the data since altering one block would require changing all subsequent blocks. The role of consensus algorithms. Proof of work. The shortcut is POW. In POW nodes, miners solve complex mathematical puzzles to validate transactions and create new blocks. This process requires significant computational power and ensures that the majority of the work agrees on the state of the blockchain. Proof of stake, the shortcut is POS. POS select validators to create new blocks based on the amount of cryptocurrency they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. It is more energy efficient than POW but still ensures agreement on the blockchain state. Maintaining the integrity of the blockchain. Consensus algorithms prevent malicious actors from altering the blockchain. For example, in POW, an attackers would need more than 50% of the network's computational power to alter past blocks, making it economically unfeasible. Decentralization and consensus contribute to the security and trustworthiness of the blockchain. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.